Hello YouTubers again. I've cleaned out the air cleaner and the carby was full of heaps of oil gunk, so I've cleaned that out. Took a bit, just put a bit of fuel in the tank. The valve doesn't turn off, so it's been looking a bit of fuel when I first tried it. Doesn't have any water in it at the moment because the hoses are all split, but I'll just start it up and see how it goes. Sounds pretty good. The motor doesn't sound rattly at all. Got a few engine rattles because it's all loose and needs to be all tightened up. Haven't tried the gearbox yet, the clutch is stuck on. Get the water all sorted so that I can take it for a ride around the backyard next, but at least it runs. I'm pretty happy. Thanks for watching again. Look out for the next update. Let's turn it off. That's good, all works. Definitely a good start for a restoration once you get new plastics and clean it all up. Thanks for watching again.